Hello everyone! Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss Grade 2 English Quarter 2 Reviewer with Answer Key. Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenter on this video is for general informational purposes only, to help pupils review for their quarterly examination or periodic test. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Thank you. Directions: choose the letter of the correct answer. For items number 1 to 5, let's read the story below. A friend. The farmer works hard all day in the field. He works in the field. He works under the sun. He works in the rain. He plants rice and vegetables. He plants fruits too. The farmer works hard to give us food. He is our good friend. Number 1. What is the title of the story? A. Field. B. Works hard. C. Farmer. D. A friend. Number 2. Who is our good friend? A. Field. B. Works hard. C. Farmer. D. A friend. Number 3. When does he works hard? A. Field. B. Plants rice. C. Farmer. D. All day. Number 4. Where is the setting of the story? A. Field. B. Works hard. C. Farmer. D. All day. Number 5. What is the problem in the story? A. Works under the sun. B. Works under the rain. C. Works in the field. D. All of the above. Number 6. Which of the following words rhymes with cat? A. Dog. B. Hat. C. Pen. D. Top. Number 7. What is the beginning sound in the word sun? Number 8. What letter comes after F in the alphabet? A. D. B. G. C. H. D. E. Number 9. Which of the following is a polite greeting? A. Give me that. B. What's that? C. Good morning. D. Go away. Number 10. Which of these words refers to a family member? A. Apple. B. Cousin. C. Table. D. Pencil. Number 11. Which word rhymes with goat? A. Boat. B. Dog. C. Good. D. Get. Number 12. Which word is a proper noun? A. Dog. B. City. C. Pencil. D. Maria. Number 13. Which of the following is a common noun? A. Pedro. B. Cebu. C. Book. D. Anna. Number 14. Which word has a middle A sound? A. Bit. B. Mat. C. Pen. D. Pot. Number 15. Choose the correct CVC word with A in the middle. A. Fan. B. Fin. C. Fun. D. Fed. Number 16. What word replaces a person in a sentence? A. Pedro. B. Chair. C. He. D. Dog. Number 17. Which of the following word is a rhyme for the word bother? A. Little. B. Really. C. Brother. D. Big. Number 18. A fish lives in the water. It breathes with its gills. It swims with its tail and fins. It eats plants and animals. What is the paragraph all about? A. Horse. B. Plants. C. Animals. D. Fish. Number 19. A cat can do wonderful things. It can see even in the dark. It can walk without any noise. If it falls, its bones won't break. What is the paragraph all about? A. A cat helps us in many ways. B. A cat can do magic. C. A cat can do what other animals cannot do. D. A cat can do wonderful things. Number 20. Which word shows an action? A. Dog. B. Girl. C. Jump. D. Table. Number 21. What is the feeling in this sentence? Anna is crying. A. Happy. B. Excited. C. Sad. D. Surprised. Number 22. Which word has a CVCE pattern with I as the middle sound? A. Pine. B. Bag. C. Tip. D. Run. Number 23. Which is a complete sentence? A. Playing ball. B. The cat sleeps. C. Big house. D. On the table. Number 24. Who is the doer in this sentence? The dog barked loudly. A. Barked. B. Loudly. C. Dog. D. The. Number 25. Choose a telling sentence. A. Where is the ball? B. Run fast. C. The sun is hot. D. Can I come? Number 26. Which is a high-frequency word? A. Elephant. B. Is. C. Window. D. Playpen. Number 27. What word is used in math class? A. Banana. B. Subtract. C. Butterfly. D. Colors. Number 28. Which word belongs to the same group as mother, sister, father? A. Spoon. B. Uncle. C. Paper. D. Desk. Number 29. The sky is dark. What do you think would happen after? A. The sun would shine brightly. B. There would be an eclipse. C. It would rain. D. There would be an earthquake. Number 30. Ligaya wears a bathing suit. What do you think would happen next? A. She goes to school. B. She goes to beach. C. She goes to market. D. She goes to mall. Let's now proceed in checking your answer. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter B. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.